Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shobha Kumari from Project Inter College, Pachruki, Siwan. Today we will start with the poem Sweetest Love I Do Not Go. In the previous video, we got acquainted with the introduction about John Donne. Today we will start the poem. Before starting the poem, let me tell you something about the poem. It is a lyric poem. The rhyming scheme of this poem is A, B, A, B, C, D, D, C. It has 5 stanzas, each of 8 lines. And with this, let's start the poem. For that, let me show you the page or the lines of the poems. This is our poem, Sweetest Love I Do Not Go. So, here we started. This is the first paragraph. Sweetest love, I do not go for weariness of thee, nor in the hope the world can show a fitter love for me. But since that I must die at last, it is best to use myself in zest, thus by feigned deaths to die. Here the poet John Donne says to his beloved, addressing his beloved, he says that sweetest love, I do not go. He says, I am not going because I am tired of you. Weariness of thee, thee means you, because I am tired of you. Or neither I am going away. He was actually going for a mission, for a job to accomplish, and so he convinces his beloved, saying that she should not think that he is going away because he is tired of him, of her, or neither he is going away in the world to find a better, fitter love or any other woman whom he has found. So he is going away from her to that woman. He convinces her about this. And he also says that in anticipation of his death, means he says that everyone has to die at last. One day everyone has to die. So see, you can see the line, but since that I must die at last, एक ना एक दिन सभी को मरना ही है, तो it is best to use myself in zest. Means we all have to die one day or other. So why not, while we are living, why not use this time in jest, मजाक में और फन में अपनी जिंदगी को हम क्यों ना बिता दें. Thus by feigned death to die. Like he's saying that suppose we have to die one day or other, and then like this we have to depart from each other. So why not let us practice that form of getting parted away or departing from each other. I will go away, and then it will be like a fake death. Feigned death means it will be like a fake death. I will rehearse that moment, that we will how we can live separated from each other. So the poet says in this is the first paragraph. He says like this, and again in the next second paragraph, you can see this is the second para. Yesternight the sun went hence. पिछले दिन भी जब शाम हुई तो सूरज फिर डूबा. And yet it is here today. Yet is here today. He hath no desire, nor sense, nor half so short away. Then fear not me, but believe that I shall make speedier journey, since I take more wings and spurs than he. The poet is saying, comparing his journey with that of the sun, he is saying that yesternight, पिछले रात, yesternight, last night, sun went away, means सूरज डूब गया था और फिर वो निकल आया. It has come again. It has the next day it again rises, and he does so, yeah, because and he has no desire, no intention, no sense, he has no ambition also, yet he goes down every day. The sun rises and sets away, but unlike that sun, I have a hope, I have a desire to meet you. So unlike if the sun with no desire can set and then again arise, so why can't I, who have the intention of meeting you again? So if I go, I will come back again. Then fear not me, but believe that I shall make a speedier journey. If the sun has no desire and then he does his work selflessly, so I have a desire to meet you. So if I go, I will have an intention to meet you again. So my journey will be very speedy. I will make a speedier journey, like I will have wings, and then I will do my journey faster than the sun. So with this, these were the two paragraphs. In the next video we will do the other paragraphs. Okay.